Hi, so this is how I help my friend create a Reddit scraper who is actually looking for ideas to create content about. This is how I did it with the help of using N10. This is the daily schedule trigger, which takes into all the keywords which he's actually interested. And this is the Reddit content scraper. This is actual node which goes inside Reddit and scrapes it. It normalizes the data. Okay, so this is the generate AI hooks. This is how I clean up the data. They're using a code block over here, and this is the store in Google Sheet module which I have used to populate the data inside the Google Sheet. Let me just delete the data so that you guys can see how it is getting populated. So let me just run this job one more time. So it's generating AI hooks. It will take like a minute or so because this runs every day, and it populates the data on the Google Sheet. You see over here. So this is hook one, this is hook two, and hook three. And then what you can do is you can just go here and just do this. So it creates all the information. It tells you what is the hook line. So for example, discover how I scaled my income over 10,000 per month at just 25 years old. Hashtag business, hashtag business. Hashtag, you can just read through it. I see that everything is getting correctly populated, and this is the date and this is the platform. It gets picked up. With this, you see how powerful it is. All you have to now do is pick up the phone and start doing content creation. Now going back how this works. So every day at 8 AM UTC, that is 4 AM is Eastern Standard Time, this gets picked up automatically. This is the configuration file which I have created. You can get the copy down below in the link. This is the Reddit content scraper. To enable this, you have to go, and this document will be populating. Okay. So this is the Reddit content scraper, and if you have never had a Reddit account before, you can actually create an app inside the Reddit app, reddit.com preference app. I'll link down in the description below, and all you have to do is take this keywords, right? So for example, this one goes here, and then you have to say or. So it takes either or situation. So it's either fitness or productivity, business, technology, lifestyle. And in this subreddits, these are the subreddits which my friend were actually interested. So I picked up this and posted it over here, and then I executed the step, and this is how the execution comes out. Now what the next step is, once the execution has done, we have to normalize the platform data. So what happens, you see all these things, right? Approved at UTC, you don't want all that information. So we have to normalize the data, and this is also a code block, and this is how it comes out to be. So once you execute this normalizing the platform data, it picks up the platform where it is from, title, URL, likes, how many likes it has, author, who was the author, category, published at, and things like that. Now, the next step is it generates the hook. So all I have done is I have passed on that information inside from the normalized platform data inside ChatGPT, and all I have told ChatGPT is generate three compelling social media hook under 110 characters, each with the category whether it's business, fitness, or fashion, written as JSON array. And that's all. And that's all I have done. If you see, this returns three different categories: business, fitness, and fashion, right? And once you execute this step, then you have to also clean up the data, right? So we don't want information like this to be stored on the sheet, right? So what I have done is I have created a small code block where it cleans up all the data. And then if you go in the Google Sheet, which I have just shown, it says hook one, hook two, and hook three in the format, and it cleans up the data and also gives out more information, right? And hope you like such videos. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.